Have you ever wondered if Wix, the popular website builder, owns Modalyst, the renowned product sourcing platform? In today's digital age, where e-commerce is booming, the relationship between website platforms and product sourcing tools is crucial. Many online entrepreneurs rely on these platforms to build successful online stores. So, let's dive into the question, does Wix own Modalyst? Part 1. Understanding Wix and Modalyst. Wix. Briefly explain what Wix is and its core features. Highlight its popularity among small and medium-sized businesses. Discuss Wix's mission and goals. Modalyst. Define Modalyst and its primary function. Explain how Modalyst helps businesses find and add products to their online stores. Discuss the benefits of using Modalyst. Comparing the two. Highlight the similarities and differences between Wix and Modalyst. Discuss how they can complement each other. Part 2. Analyzing the relationship, partnership or ownership. Explore the potential benefits of a partnership between Wix and Modalyst. Discuss how a partnership could enhance the user experience for online entrepreneurs. Examine the drawbacks of a partnership, such as potential conflicts of interest. Rumors and speculations. Address any existing rumors or speculations about a potential acquisition or merger. Provide evidence or lack thereof to support or refute these claims. Discuss the potential impact of such a move on the e-commerce industry. Investigating public statements. Analyze public statements made by Wix and Modalyst regarding their relationship. Look for any hints or clues that might suggest a connection or partnership. Discuss the importance of official announcements from both companies. Part 3. The verdict. Based on available information, present your conclusion based on the evidence gathered. Clearly state whether or not you believe Wix owns Modalyst. Provide supporting reasons for your conclusion. Future implications. Discuss the potential implications of a future partnership or acquisition. Explore how such a move could shape the e-commerce landscape. Highlight the importance of staying updated on industry developments. Recap. Briefly summarize the key points discussed in the video. Reinforce your conclusion regarding Wix and Modalyst. Encourage viewers to share their thoughts and opinions in the comments. Call to action. Invite viewers to subscribe to your channel for more informative content. Suggest related topics or videos that they might be interested in. Closing statement. Thank viewers for watching and provide a final thought or question. Example closing statement. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, keep exploring the exciting world of e-commerce and stay tuned for more informative content. And remember, if you have any further questions or insights on the Wix-Modalyst relationship, feel free to share them in the comments below.